exhale up. Your inhalation is passive at this time. आप inhale तब करेंगे जब आप नीचे की तरफ आ रहे हैं और exhale करते हुए ऊपर जाएंगे. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Make sure you're looking towards the ceiling or the clouds. Keep smiling. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Our first exercise के 15 से 20 repetitions कर सकते हैं. If you can take it up to 25. That is just for one circuit, and then we will repeat the entire circuit for at least 3 to 4 times. Exhale. We'll do 20 counts on each side. That is 40 in total. 12, 13. Breathe out. Feel it on your obliques. And last one. Deep inhale, exhale, and start. Stay there. Normal breathing pattern रखेंगे, and you will hold this position for 30 seconds. Make sure your chest is expanding and your legs are nice and tight. Stay there. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. चलिए अब एक छोटा सा stretch करते हैं to relax those muscles. Lie down. Get your feet closer to your bums and raise. Bridge posture में hold करेंगे for 10 seconds. Push your pelvic up. Relax your abs, stretch them, and come down. Don't touch the floor. Take your bums up again and stretch them nicely. Release any pressure if you have on your back. Place your hands on the mat. Keep pushing your pelvic up. Relax your back. Stretch your abs and come back. Don't touch the floor. Last time. Up again. As I always mention, stretching is very important. जब आपका ये पूरा circuit complete हो जाएगा, please make sure that you repeat this circuit for at least 3 to 4 times. And after you finish your entire workout, please do stretch. And come back. That's it. This was a quick ab routine for beginners, and make sure you do it on an empty stomach. At least आपके खाने की और exercise करने के बीच में 2 hours का gap होना चाहिए. Thank you so much for watching फिर तक.